Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. Today what I have is the cutting of 4-piece skirt for children. Stay tuned as you watch. Now here is my fabric. To start with, I'm going to fold this fabric into 4 parts. Now this is the right side of this fabric. I'm going to fold the right side inward. Like I said earlier, I will be folding it into 4 parts. Now, the length of this skirt is 17 inches for the length. Now, I folded it into 4 equal parts. As you can see, let's count the layer. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So making 4. Now, since it's 4 pieces, that's why it's 4 initially here. Then the next thing I shall be doing is to fold it again the way it is now. I'm going to fold it this way. I've folded it equally. Now, first thing, the reason why I folded it equally is because this particular skirt is not going to have a zipper allowance. I'm going to use elastic, so I don't need any extra allowance for this particular skirt. That's why I folded it into another equal part. That is it. Now, coming to the measurement, we'll start off. The waist, the hip of this skirt is 24. 24 is the hip. And I've told you earlier on that the length of this skirt is 17. Now I'm going to measure it. As you can see, I have 19 inches altogether, including 2 inches extra. Now, I'm going to start. Like I said, the hip is 24. Now, since it's 4 pieces, I'm going to divide that hip 24 by 4. And 24 divided by 4 gives me 6. It means each of the piece for this skirt, the wideness is going to give me 6. Now, since I folded it again, it means that 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. Now, plus 0.5 as my seam allowance. So, I shall be having 3.5 for the hip. Remember, it's elastic, so I'm going to, including the waist, I will start from the waist. I will mark out 3.5 right from the waist, so I don't need any shaping. 3.5 from the edge here. 3.5. Depends. You can make it 4. That is, adding 1 inch as your seam allowance. So 3.5, I've marked 3.5. Now remember, before I proceed, I will have to measure the full length for this skirt is 17. Now 17 divided by 2 gives me 8.5. Now I'm going to reduce that 8.5 by half, or I leave it like that. Okay, now I will reduce that 8.5 by 5, which will give me 8 8 inches. So that will be for the center point, that is above the nail. So from the edge here, that is from the waist here, I'm going to measure 8. But because of the seam allowance, when I'm about to insert my elastic, so I will add 1 extra, giving me 9. So the total of 9 as the length is what I shall be marking out right from the waist to the nail. So 9 inches. Remember the width is 3.5. So I will measure 3.5 here as well. Then the length, like I said, 9 inches. So I have my 9 inches here. So I'm going to connect from here to this place. Let me connect the line. Now for the base, I'm going to place my tape rule this way. To the tip here, then to the middle where I stop. So I'm going to connect this line on the nail to the edge here so that it will give me a shape. So it's preferable I use my ruler to do that. So this is the shape. So I will be cutting right from this edge like that. So let's do the cutting. We want to make it more perfect. Now this is what I'm going to open. I'm going to open it up to see what we have. So at the end of the day, this is what we have. Now, as you can see, this is our 4-piece skirt. I'm going to open it. This is the base. Why this is the hip aspect. Now we have arrived at our 4-piece skirt. The next step is to join it, to sew it together. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. For latest design, please you can subscribe to my channel. Bye.